This is the Galaxy Z Flip 3. It costs $999 and folds from this into this. Fundamentally, the Z Flip 3 is a phone that folds in half to get smaller, whereas the Z Fold 3 is a phone that opens up to make the screen bigger, like a tablet. The Flip is one of my favorite phones. The original one is still my Android daily carry when I'm in between reviews. So the Flip 3 and its laundry list of improvements definitely caught my attention. Like the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3 gets a lower price, a more beefed up design, and 2021 specs. Let's talk about the name. There was the original Z Flip, then the pseudo 1.5 version, which was called the Z Flip 5G, and this new one called the Z Flip 3, which puts it in the same generation naming cycle as the Z Fold 3. By the way, for more on the Z Fold 3, make sure you check out my video. The link is in the description. But unlike the Z Fold 3, the Z Flip 3 is Samsung's second iteration in terms of hardware design for this clamshell form factor. Its biggest feature is that $999 price. That makes the Galaxy Z Flip 3 the same price as a Galaxy S21 Plus, an iPhone 12 Pro, and the only time I've seen a foldable phone at that price point is when the Motorola Razr with 5G was on sale for $400 off. That $1,000 price, along with the new hardware, shows that Samsung is confident that the Z Flip 3 is a ready for prime time, mass market device, and one that people can count on like a regular phone. On paper, it's a firm step away from the more prototype feel the original Z Flip had. Samsung takes the Z Flip's bold, square drink coaster design and makes it more eye-catching. Gone is the tiny pill-shaped cover screen that was next to useless for anything more than seeing the time or battery life. In its place is a cover display that is 4 times larger, and get this, you can actually read your notifications instead of just part of them. The new screen can show 4 lines, and you have the option to scroll down to see more. You can check your emails, group chats, all without flipping open the Flip. But wait, there's more. There are 6 widgets that work on the cover screen. Among them, you can check the weather, your step count, and use Samsung Pay. The cover screen and rear glass are made with Gorilla Glass Victus. The metal frame and hinge are 10% more durable, according to Samsung, because of a new material marketed as Armor Aluminum. Full disclosure, Armor Aluminium is the name of my Johnny Ive Gladiator cosplay character. When you flip open the phone, the main screen greets you with a new protective film, which Samsung says makes it 30% more durable than the original Flip. The new screen also has a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate that should make scrolling content, gaming, and animations look smoother, and that's a big upgrade. It also gets stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. The Z Flip 3 has 3 cameras, a 10 megapixel selfie camera housed in a hole punch cutout in the main screen, and 2 cameras on the outside cover, a main 12 megapixel wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and a brand new 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. Unlike the Z Fold 3, the Flip does not get an under the display camera. On the inside of the phone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with 8 GB of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. It has the same dual battery setup as the Z Flip 5G and also supports 15-watt fast charging, despite not coming with a 15-watt charger, or, well, any charger for that matter. It also has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The Z Flip 3 will support sub-6 5G and millimeter wave 5G. It's unclear whether all models support both or just certain carrier models. The body of the phone is now rated IPX8 for water resistance, which means the Z Flip can survive under 1.5 meters, about 5 feet of water, for 30 minutes. Now, I should note that there isn't any rating for dust resistance. In terms of software, it runs Android 11, and Samsung says it's added more functionality that supports the form factor. Flex Mode, which debuted on the original Flip, now has more apps that will take advantage of the mini laptop-like position. Now, I'm excited to see how improvements to multitasking work and if the software has made the same strides as the hardware. Okay, so at the end of the day, the Z Flip 3 represents a significant step forward for bringing foldable phones to the mainstream. And one way you can tell this is by the sheer number of colors Samsung is gonna be offering. The phone it comes in cream, green, lavender, or phantom black. Samsung also has 3 exclusive colors that are only available on their website, and those are gray, white, and pink. Samsung also has created a number of cases for the Z Flip 3 that add a little more pizzazz or more grip or even a strap. Pre-orders are open now and it will launch on August 27th. And that's all I got. If you want to learn more about the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or pre-order one, check out the link in the description. But now, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Galaxy Z Flip 3? What about that price? Are you thinking about getting one? Throw your thoughts in the comments.